Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are in Clearwater Beach, Florida. Clearwater Beach, as you can see, it's a popular beach. The parking lots are full. As we cruise the beach, we're going to notice that the sand on Clearwater Beach is as nice as the sand that's in 𝐷𝐎𝐿. The difference is the width of the beaches and, in essence, the demographics of the crowd that usually come to the beach. It's been a little while since I've been to Clearwater, and I'm amazed at the amount of construction that has taken place on the ocean side of Clearwater. I'm going to get out of the way and you can listen to some of the ambient sound of the seagulls in the ocean. This is going to be a short video, and I'll see you soon. What are your thoughts of Clearwater Beach? We've seen 3 Gulf beaches: 𝐷𝐎𝐿, St. Petersburg Beach, and now Clearwater. How did those beaches compare to the southeast beaches of Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Delray, Hollywood Beach? What are your thoughts? As you can tell, the demographics of many of these beaches are different. You've noticed each of these beaches have activities in terms of volleyball, and I guess the ocean is the key factor here. Please share, like, subscribe. I'm interested in your comments. And if you like this, click on one of these videos that's coming up.